Event types are usually centered around a concerted effort to achieve common business goals. These types of events are defined by their target audience and purpose. To manage your event types, you'll navigate to your settings and scroll down to Manage Event Types under Preferences. It's important to know that event types will apply to your whole system, so anything you add here will also apply to all of your users. If you'd like to change the color or edit the ones that are existing, you'll just click Choose and Open, and then you can edit the verbiage or you can edit the color. If you'd like to add an event type, you'll come up here to the top right-hand corner and choose Add Event Type. And then you will title that event type. Choose what color you want that event type to be, and click Submit. Now, if you navigate to your agenda and calendar, you can then create an event and choose that event type. Over here on the left-hand side from within your calendar, you can also filter by the event type. So let's say you only want to see meetings. You'll make sure that the meeting is the only one that is selected here. If you have any questions about event types, managing them, and how to use them, feel free to reach out to support@setshape.com.